Hello guys, I'm going to cook beef broccoli. This is the beef. I'm frying the beef half cooked. Don't fry it too much because it will get hard. And then I will take it out and wait for a while like this. So after frying the beef, you need to fry this broccoli just maybe around 5 to 10 minutes. Don't overcook. Put some seasoning. When you're frying, put some seasoning. When the broccoli's color is like this, dark green, it is good already. You can start to.
I'm going to my house. Wait! No! I want to go to
do
my
this.
house. I guess I'm gonna.
I will fry this
Here.
and this onion, and then put this beef
He needs
and put
to
some
eat,
water.
and he needs a shower.
Just frying the onion and garlic, and then I will add the beef, the fried beef, fried half-cooked beef, and then simmer it for 40 to 45 minutes, so it will be soft. At this point, you can add black pepper. I added water for this. I think this is 2 pounds of beef, and the water is around 1 liter because I need to boil it for 45 minutes, and then the water will be lessened because of the moisture that will come out. Yeah. Put a little bit of cornstarch, mix in cold water. Like that. And then mix it. So that the soup will be thicker. If you want more, you can add more. I will let the soup evaporate a little bit more. Maybe I need 10 to 15 minutes more. So after the sauce is thicker like this, it is done. You just need to add the broccoli. I added soy sauce in here and cornstarch, maybe half cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. That's what I added, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, the red sugar. The taste should be a little bit sweet and a little bit salty, and with the taste of beef. Oh, it's so good. Just need to add the broccoli. Just like this. Okay, my kids are noisy. I just turned off the heat because this broccoli is already cooked. So it's done. Yeah. Just waiting to be eaten. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.